Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lock Apple ID on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to lock your Apple ID on iPhone, go to settings, then should see your Apple ID unlocked, then scroll down and click on screen time. Now scroll down the screen time, turn on screen time if it is disabled. Turn on screen time if disabled. Otherwise, go ahead and click on content and privacy restrictions. Then turn on content and privacy restrictions. You want to scroll down to where you see allow changes to, and then click on account. Then set this to don't allow. And then give this a few seconds and go back to your iPhone main settings. Scroll up and then you should see your iCloud account disabled. You see that? So you've locked your iCloud account. Before you can remove or turn off your iCloud account on your iPhone, you need to go back to your screen time, then turn on content and privacy restrictions, and then allow accounts under content and privacy restrictions. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.